Hello, traders. Welcome to my swing trade watcher for February 7th. And once again, guys, this is real-time streaming for our customers. They not only get these ideas in the morning, but they can also follow them with our technology throughout the day. So, a couple of stocks actually about four stocks I want to point out today. Uh, well, I have the first one up here is Tesla. Tesla's been showing some real relative strength. Okay, the market's kind of pulled back the last couple of days, but this is really setting up for a possible move, through this very important pivot line. You can kind of see it there where my price alert is set. So a move above this 3-day high here could be an interesting swing trade there in Tesla. Another one I'm watching this morning is Pins. Now, Pins had earnings yesterday, sold off, I think all the way down to around $25 and has fought back and now is just pretty much flat on the day. So watch for a move in Pins above yesterday's high after earnings. 3 days of pullback here, and this could be a nice swing trade set up there. Uh, Snap. Snap has been very impressive since its earnings. You can see our yellow line there had a pretty significant gap down after earnings, but has fought back. And you talk about some really strong relative strength yesterday compared to the market was Snap. And also, if you scroll back here, you're kind of been in a channel for several months now. So keep an eye on Snap for possible swing trade. One last one here, OLN. I really love this setup. After earnings, you had three impressive, days of move higher, and now you've had 5 days of pullback here and tagged its 10-period moving average. So look for a bar reversal on this OLN for today. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up. Good trading, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.